Welcome to my channel. Netgear Nighthawk AXE10000 Tri-Band Wi-Fi 6E Router Setup. Unbox and check contents. Nighthawk AXE10000 Router Power Adapter Ethernet Cable Quick Start Guide. Place it in a central location for the best coverage. Power off your modem. Use the included Ethernet cable to connect your modem to the WAN Internet port of the router. Power on the modem first, then wait a minute. Power on the router and wait for the LED lights to stabilize. Download the Nighthawk app, available on iOS and Android. Open the app and follow the on-screen instructions to set up your network. Connect to the default Wi-Fi network. SSID and password are on the router label. Open a browser and go to http://www.routerlogin.net. Enter the default credentials: username, admin, password. Follow the setup wizard to configure network name SSID Wi-Fi password admin login credentials. Enable 6 GHz band if you have Wi-Fi 6E compatible devices. Update the firmware for security and performance improvements. Thanks for watching.